This is front and center of our investigation. This blatant abuse of our institutions must stop. These human trafficking activities must stop. These money laundering activities must stop. Buwagin natin ang mga sindikatong ito. Sa araw na ito ay ihahain ang sabina laban kay Guo Haping alias Alice Guo, Zhang Mier alias Sheila Guo, at Cassandra Leong. Haharap kayo sa hatol ng batas. Sheila Guo, the Senate's contempt order on you is lifted, and I direct the OSAA to transfer your custody to the Bureau of Immigration, pursuant to the mission order issued by the Bureau against you.